I work from home now, so some days I take Els to work, and when I do, we pass under this highway sign. It's fantastic. There's always some sort of witty joke telling people to buckle up, and the writing, it's fire. Every time I pass under that sign, I wonder, who's writing these jokes, and how do I write one? And I decided to shoot my shot. So, do you know those highway signs?
Yes, but they just come from our department. I'll see what I can do.
After a couple tries, I actually got the joke guy on the phone, and he was so kind. I love your work.
We appreciate it. It's certainly, I will say, a team effort.
But I do have an idea. It's kind of random. So I pitched him my idea, and
I like to shoot people straight. That's probably a no-go. I don't know if you've read recently, about kind of the national conversation.
I hadn't, but this is no joke.
But the feds are cracking down on those funny signs on the highway.
So now with the U.S. government against me, if I wanted to display my important message, I was gonna have to get creative.
I'll find you sooner or later, hiding in the
And then it hit me.
Love's a particular
A little Photoshop, and it's time for our message.
whole life, my goal, my.
Does it say not pregnant?
What's that? You can Are you really? Oh, how wonderful, my baby.
Oh, this is sometimes it is.
It does!
They don't match. Like the real thing, it's fantastic. So
We're gonna have a baby! A baby! A baby! Wait, can I jump? How does pregnancy work?
Ease up.
This is it! Right there! Right there! Mom and Dad, baby! Bye!
Bye.